Here's how to fix I2C HID device code error 10 or touchpad driver not working. So first, what you can do is try to reboot your PC and see if that fixes the problem. Otherwise, you can right click on Windows icon and go to Device Manager, and this window should open up. Now look for HID or Human Interface Devices, which is this right here, Human Interface Devices. Then extend it down and then look for your HID device. It should be something like I2C HID device. You can simply click on it and then right click uninstall device, and then you can go back up here and click scan for hardware, and then you can go back and install it again if it's not installed. You can also click on update driver and search automatically for any drivers available, and if there is drivers available, it will start downloading them and install them. Now in the properties tab, make sure you go to right click on the I2C device and then go to properties, and then under power management, make sure to uncheck both of these options if they are checked, and then click OK. Now you can simply close out of this and reboot your system, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.